welcome to my channel. Welcome to Journey with Judy. If today is the first time of coming to this channel, clicking on this video, seeing my face, you're highly welcome to this channel. You are highly welcome to this channel. Please do well by clicking on that subscribe button and also the like button. It means a whole lot to me. And if you're my old viewer, you haven't subscribed to my channel, please, I don't know what is holding you from subscribing to my channel. Subscribing to my channel is free. Please do well by clicking on that subscribe button to subscribe to my channel. So today I want to talk about mango leaf tea. Okay, so this is my mango leaf. So this is my mango leaf, and I want to tell you something about this leaf you don't know. God has given us many of these things that we've been ignoring them, and I'll be unveiling some of these things to us. I just love to share the things I know. I just love to share, and today I want to share this one with you, which is mango leaf tea and its health benefits. This tea is good for our skin. If you want a glowing skin, if you want to look younger than your age, please give this tea a try. So please, if you want a glowing skin, you want to look good, you want to look younger than your age, give this tea a try. Give this tea a try. And if you want a healthy hair, give this tea a try. It's good for our hair, it's good for our skin. If you're suffering from high blood pressure, this helps to manage high blood pressure. This tea helps to manage high blood pressure. This tea helps to balance your sugar level. See, there are many goodies that comes with this leaf. So let me not just waste our time. Let's go prepare this tea. As I'm preparing this tea, I'll tell us the health benefits of this mango leaf tea I'm about to prepare. You're going to love it. It's a very simple one, and okay. And let me tell you something about this mango leaf. Okay, this mango leaf. Now, if you don't have mango leaf in your house, it's not something you have to worry about, because you can as well preserve it. Like, I don't have in my house. I got like few sticks of this, and all I have to do is I'll take the one I need for my tea. Okay, I'll take the one I need for my tea, and I will just plug. You see what I'm doing? I'll just pick it, okay, my mango leaf, and just leave it in room temperature, not outside. I'll just place them on a tray, okay. I'll place them on a tray and just leave them inside my room. I won't put it under the sun. I won't put it under the sun. There's no need for that. It doesn't take time to dry, because we want all the nutrients that comes with the goodies, the benefits that comes with this leaf to be intact. Okay, so we don't want any of the benefits to get missing. So you're just going to dry this inside the house and put it in your container. So each time you want to make your tea, each time you want to make your mango leaf tea, you just pick from there and make your tea as easy and as simple as this. You can as well crush it, you can as well blend it, and just we have your tea. When you take your tea bag, you notice that the leaves are already blended, already grounded or so. So same with this. When it's dried, you can as well blend it and store in your airtight container. Each time you want to make a tea, you just take 1 teaspoon and put in your hot water. That's the easiest method. Yes, that's the easiest method of making this tea. But if you feel that you have the leaf, you want to make from the fresh leaf daily, that's fine. You can just do that. Okay, so follow me. Let's go make this tea, this lovely tea that will make us glow, that will make us healthy, that would help to detox our system. Yes, that will help to detox, that will make us look good. So follow me, and don't forget to click on that like button. Don't forget to click on that like button, please, and subscribe to my channel. It means a whole lot to me. So follow me, let's go. So these are my mango leaves. So I'll just pick it to dry some and keep some for my tea. So mango leaf balances blood sugar level. This leaf is excellent in balancing blood sugar level in diabetic patients. Mango leaf helps to manage high blood pressure. It also makes the blood vessels strong and healthy. It helps to treat stomach ulcer. So if you're suffering from stomach ulcer, this is good for you. It helps for weight loss. Mango leaves are very good for our hair. They are rich in vitamin C and A, which boosts the production of collagen that is important for healthy hair. Mango leaves contains nutrients that are essential for skin health. It has antibacterial properties that help to treat bacterial skin infections. It also helps to treat restlessness. All you just need to do is to take 2 cups of the boiled mango leaf water and add it to your bath water and see the wonders of nature. This leaf is also good for respiratory problem. Mango leaf is very good for people suffering from cold and asthma. What I just need is 2 mango leaf, okay? This is just for a day. So what I need is 2 mango leaf for a day, and I'm just going to wash this and show us the next step. So I have my pot, okay? So in my pot, I already have my mango leaf that are washed, 2 mango leaves that are washed. So I'm just going to use my hands to, or you can use knife, okay? But it's not hard, so I don't need knife for this. Just cut it so that it can infuse very well, okay? So I can infuse very well. So this is what we have here, okay? So this is for a start. This is for a start. Start with 2 leaves, okay? Start with 2 leaves. For a start with 2 leaves. And this is for morning and night, okay? This is for morning and night. Then as time goes on, if you see how good this is for you, you can increase it to 4 leaves a day, okay? Because you're going to drink it in the morning and at night. So for this, I'm going to add my water, and this is 2 glasses of water, okay? This cup gives me 2 glasses of water. It gives me 2 glasses of water. So I'll we'll go and boil this in a low heat, okay? So once it starts boiling, we are going to leave it for extra 5 minutes, okay? Don't forget, we are cooking this on a very low heat. And once it starts boiling, we are going to turn off the heat and allow it to become warm before drinking. We're not going to drink this hot. We're not going to drink it hot, and we would be drinking it cold. But if you feel that you prefer it cold, that's still fine. But I just like to take my tea warm, not too hot, not cold. So let's go boil this and come back. Yeah. So after boiling and allowing this to infuse, so this is what we have here. Welcome back, and this is our mango leaf tea. This is our mango leaf tea, okay? So this is a very good one. From all the health benefits you heard, I mentioned, from all the health benefits I mentioned about this tea. Before you go out, take this tea in the morning, and you'll notice how active you'll be that day. It will make you so active. And you can add honey to your mango leaf tea if you want it to taste a little bit better, but the taste isn't bad, okay? I won't be adding honey to mine. I won't be adding honey to mine. I'll just take it, okay? So when you boil it, the color may not be like this at first, but when you allow it to stay for some time, as it's getting cold, the color will change to something like this, okay? So don't forget to boil it in a low heat and enjoy your tea. Cheers to good health. This is so good. This is so good. You're going to love it. As long as you do this moderately, okay? You know, we eat things we're not supposed to eat, like those junks, Like someone like me, I bake a lot because of my children, not because of me. I discipline myself. I really discipline myself. So I want you to also do that as an adult. You're 30, 40, 50, 60, and so on. There are some things we are not supposed to be eating. We are not babies, we are not kids. Okay. There are some things we are not supposed to eat. Like when I make those snacks for my children, sometimes I don't even taste some of them. Why sometimes I just take little. And I also detox. I take things like this. So why will you be eating junks? You eat this, that, and when it comes to herbs, when it comes to leaves, when it comes to tea that will make you feel good, you say it will affect your kidney, it will affect. Let me tell you one thing about these things. If you take them moderately, moderation is key. If you take them well, they are very good for us. You don't know that those meat pie and the rest of them you're eating are also affecting your system. You don't know. Those ice cream, they're also affecting your system. And when you take those things, you don't take things like this. It's not good for you. Okay? So when you take the things like this, those of you that are addicted to it, please try to help your life. These things are not good for us. Take them just once in a while, because I do. I do once in a while. And when I make my children, I just take little. I don't make it part of my life. Yeah, I don't make it part of my life because I know I'm not a baby. Forget this face you say, I'm not a baby. I'm not a baby. So I try to just um stay away from those things. Okay. And when those times you get tempted, you can't just avoid to just take that meat pie, that donut. We try to detox. Okay. Mm. This tea is good. This tea is good. I prefer taking it first thing in the morning and last thing before going to bed. So just do it and you're going to enjoy it. You're really going to enjoy this tea. Mm? And there's something else I want to tell you. Now, you can make a larger quantity, okay? You can make a larger quantity and put it in your refrigerator. That is another method that's so easy. So if this is for a week, you make for a week, and every morning or at night, whenever you want to take it, you just put in your cup and add hot water to it. That's how I used to do it to make it easy for me, so that you don't start giving yourself excuses that I'm tired from work, I'm late for work. Once you have it, you just go to your refrigerator, pour it in your cup, add hot water to make it warm, and drink it. Easy, right? So that is it. And that is it for today. That is it for our mango leaf tea. Please, if you find this helpful, click on that like button and subscribe to my channel. It means a whole lot to me. More will be coming on this channel. More will be coming on this channel. And you wouldn't want to miss out. Just click on that bell. That notification bell, so that whenever I upload my videos, you'll be notified. Yeah, you'll be notified. And you come enjoy with us. Let's live a good life. Let's live a healthy life. Let's try our best to just help our life. Okay. So that is it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Share this to your friends and loved ones. Share this to your groups. Okay. Thanks for watching. See you in my next one. Bye.